In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the status of your Azure subscription, whether it is active, disabled, expired, or in any other state. Understanding the status of your Azure subscription is crucial, as it directly impacts your ability to use and manage resources effectively. Let's walk through the different possible statuses and how you can easily check them. Firstly, it's important to know the different states your subscription can have. An active or enabled subscription means everything is fully operational, allowing you to create and manage resources freely. On the other hand, if your subscription is marked as disabled, this usually occurs due to non-payment or if the credit has been exhausted. This state prevents you from creating or modifying resources, and your existing resources might be deallocated or turned read-only. If your subscription is expired or deleted, it means it was canceled or deleted, and no operations are allowed in this state. Lastly, if your subscription is past due or warned, it indicates outstanding payments or warnings, and you might experience limited operations. Now, with this foundational understanding, let's explore the methods you can use to check the status of your Azure subscription. The primary way to do this is through the Azure Portal, a user-friendly and comprehensive interface for managing your Azure services. To begin, log into your Azure Portal account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Subscriptions section. You can simply type Subscriptions in the search bar located at the top of the portal. When you select it, you'll be directed to the Subscriptions blade. Here, you'll find a list of all the subscriptions you have access to. Each subscription on this list will have a status column displaying its current state, such as enabled, disabled, or warned. For more detailed information, click on the specific subscription you're interested in. This will lead you to the subscription's overview or properties page. In this section, you can view vital details like the subscription ID, the billing account associated with it, the creation date, and most importantly, the current state of the subscription. If your subscription is in a non-active state, such as being disabled, expired, or warned, Azure Portal not only indicates this status, but may also provide steps or links to help you resolve the issue. For instance, it might suggest you pay an overdue invoice or provide options to reactivate the subscription. And there you have it. Checking your Azure subscription status is straightforward and can be done quickly through the Azure Portal. Maintaining an active subscription ensures that you can continue to use your Azure services without interruption, and now you know exactly how to monitor and manage this aspect of your Azure account.